Hey everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a couple of ATCs that I made. I wanted to share with you. Let me show you the products that I used to make them. So I used these really cute eyelid borders by Pretty Pink Posh. It's a 3-piece set, really cute. May want to check those out. And then from Spellbinders, I used this stamp and die cutting set. It's called I've Got You Covered. And I used the little hello here. And it does have the matching die to go with that. But it's all kind of nice little sentiments in here. You can say hello for your shower. Hello, I got you covered. And then you can have thinking of you. And then it says you can't have rainbows without a little rain. So really nice set. And then I used this freebie that I got from scrapbook.com. And this is the Spellbinders cutting dies. It's the kaleidoscope flowers. And it has 6 cutting dies, and it's a layered flower, and it also comes with a leaf that you can layer too. So let me show you my ATCs. So first up is this really cute ATC, simple. I may put some gems on it later, I'm not sure, but I used the Hello from Spellbinders set that I previously showed you, and then this design for the eyelet cutout border, and then the flower, I used 4 different colors of yellow. And then on top, it's more of a gold than yellow, but really super simple. And I thought it looked really cute. And then the next one, same flower, different border, different paper. And then this hello is from Tim Holtz. So really simple. May put some gems on here, maybe a little bug or a bee if I find a small one, but really simple ATCs. I just wanted to share with you. Let me know what you think about these in the comments below, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.